Hi guys, this is Steve Goshen Crypto from Goshen Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform, right? So today I'll be showing you how to engage in spot buying and also at market price and also buying at limit price. That is setting a limit price below so that in case the market dips, you'll be able to buy automatically. Then afterwards, after holding for some time, you now get a good amount of profit. So just follow me as I do this. Okay, this is it. You can see we're on the home page on this particular exchange, this Bitget exchange. So now we're coming to trade. You can see trade. So remember I said we'll be buying spots both at market price and at what limit price. Now Gala, I'm not going to buy Gala. I want to buy another coin. I'll be buying another coin called CFX. So come to this place so that we change the trading pair. So I want to buy CFX. So this is spot buying, like I said. So you can see CFX here. So this is it, CFX. Now for me to inform myself to get a good let's say quick technical analysis, we can just say already I know the fundamentals of CFX, so it's a good coin. So I've traded it for over 3 to 4 years now. So I just want to buy it. So I just want to check the support and the resistance where it is currently. It is a good point to buy actually, but I just need to do my due diligence. So these two candle here to see the candle chart. So you can see that we are in the 1 day candle 1 day chart, 1 day candle frame chart, right? So you can see that for the past let's say if we say for the past 20 days now, you can see that the price came down from a recent high, right, 0.2731, and came down to about, okay, let me expand it. You can see it came down to about 0.1406, right, which was almost the low before it went to the high. So this is the low before it went to high. You can see this is the low, this is the low on this indicator here, 0.1355. so this is a good price. It is currently trading at the support, right, at the support level. So I don't need to even draw any support and resistance chart. I know this already. So now I'll be buying at a market price, and so let's just go, since we are justified that the chart is okay, that it is currently accumulating, that is consolidating at what support. Now let's go to the trade platform. So this is CFX USDT. So I want to buy. So I'm buying at the market price. That means I'm buying at this price now. So let's go. We'll turn it to market price. So it's on market price now. So you can see that I have a balance of 61 USDT, right? So I'll be buying 15 USDT now, and I'll be also setting a buy limit at a lower price from that 15 USDT. This will justify the aim of this video, right? Okay, kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, share to your friends to inform them on how to buy spots at the market price, and also at limits below the price, limit price, right? Okay, to sell later when the price goes up. I can tell you, let's wait till January ending and we'll be seeing this coin skyrocketing, right? So this is it. Now I'll be buying 15, like I said, it's on market price, it's on buy. Then I'll be typing 15, just take note of the balance, 15. Then I'll be clicking buy. So okay, so it's like 15 USD is a small amount of coin to buy for CFX, right? So for this same thing that I did, I will do for let's say CKB. Oh no, let's just keep this let's just keep this. Let's just move to CKB, since we can't buy 15 USD, because I really want to buy 15 USD at the market price now and 15 at the what, at limit buy, and that's the aim of this video. So let's choose another pair, because it's supposed to give us a notification and our balance is supposed to change. So we come back to this place. I'll be trying another coin and I've analyzed their fundamental. So this is it. Let's try CKB. Yes, this is CKB. There you can see. So you can see, let's go back to the chart, although this video is going to be long. You can see we have gone back to the chart and it's currently traded at a high of around 0.019. You can see it here, and now it's down, that is 0.019. Now it's on 0.0111. So you can see that it went down to 0.009. before going up and now coming down again. So I'll buy at market price just for the sake of this video, right? And I'll set limit at below also, right? So this is it. Let's go back. CKB. Mind you, I record my trade, right? So we're already on the market order here, and this is the market price actually. So I'll be buying 15. Hopefully it buys. Then take note of the balance here. It will change automatically. So you can see this is the price I bought here. I bought at this price. So I'll record it. I'll record that price for CKB because this is business. It's my trade. So 0.011431. So I'll now set a limit order. This is where to set limit order. You see it here. I'll be setting a limit order here. Limit order means I want to buy the lower price in case it come down. So I'm choosing limits, right? So you can now see the price. Now I'll select a price. Now it is on 0.010, but now make it, I want to bring down the price so that if the thing dip to that level, I'll buy automatically 95. Okay, 98. Okay, so this is what I'll do. Okay, this is what I'll do. 98. So this is the price I want to buy when it comes down, right? So this is it. So this is the limit order. So when it comes down to this price that I put here, it will buy automatically. So I'll buy 15 also. So this is what we call dollar cost averaging in trading, right? Having to leverage, having to have an average entry instead of just buying once into the market, right? So this video is getting long already. Remember, subscribe, like this video, share, and give your friends so that they can also invest. Spot trading is actually investing, right? So this is it. 15, right? And let's go. So I'll be buying. Remember, this is the price I set. So when it comes down to this price, it will be buying automatically. So I'll be buying CKB. So you can observe the price. We were at 61 already. It's now 31. That's the available balance, right? So remaining one coin. I remember I told you I wanted to buy that, but it was not able to buy it. So I'll do another video to show you how to buy. That is, you just buy and hold, you record it, and it will not be on the spot, right? I really want to buy that particular coin. I think the last coin I think it was CFX, right? It was CFX. So kindly subscribe to this video. Thank you. Share this video and enjoy your day. So this is a good time to buy. So this is how to take spot trading in setting limits and also buying at market price. So this is it. If you want to check, if you come down to this place, you can see your orders. It's like you're ordering something. This is it at a particular price. So now when the market comes to this price, this is CKB, right? When it comes to this price, it will get filled. The order will get filled automatically. So you can see I have so many coins on order because the market is actually fluctuating. So I don't want to just go in at once. So I will also have, in case the market crash, I'll have a leverage. That is, I'll be able to average my market entry price. Would be an average price, that is the higher plus the lower, it will not give us in between. So that's what it means actually to buy using a limit buy below and also buy at market price. You can see this is it. Thank you.